Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem Tankless water heater code 11 ignition failure troubleshooting. Fix 1. Reset the water heater. Turn the water heater off using the power button, then unplug the unit or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait about 5 minutes, then restore power and turn the unit back on. Open a hot water tap and check if code 11 is gone. Second one is make sure the gas supply is on. Check that the gas shut-off valve is fully open, then make sure your home has an active gas supply. If you recently changed your gas tank, confirm it not empty. Try running the hot heater again. Third one is bleed air from the gas line. Open a hot water bucket, then turn the heater on and let it try to ignite several times. If air was trapped in the gas line, the burner may light after a few attempts. Check whether the error could disappear. Fourth one is clean the air intake valve. Turn off the water heater, then inspect the air intake for dust, leaves or debris. Then remove any blockage carefully. Turn the heater back on and test it. Fifth one, check the exhaust vent. Inspect the exhaust vent for nests, dirt, snow or other obstructions. Clear any blockage you find, then make sure the vent pipe is not damaged or disconnected. Restart the heater and check for normal operation. Thanks for watching.